Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. Today's model comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Mercedes-Benz E350 and 4MATIC badging. Let's take a look at our trunk here. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. We have memory seats on the driver and passenger side. And here's the driver seat controls. Driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And mileage is currently at 86,289 with a turnkey ignition. Well, here we have our Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Climate control. And here is your command center and center console. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or have any questions at all about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.